Navratri is one of those high energy periods when the portal of goddess energies open up, when the yin energies shower upon us to help us receive many things in our life. Basically, this is the time to go ahead and work with our inner shadows. This is a time to bringing a transformation in our life. So, here are 5 things you must do during Navratri. These are, according to me, 5 things you must do during Navratri. Number 1 is chants. Any kind of Shakti chants that you are used to doing. To women, I suggest not to do these during the menstrual cycles because the flow of your energy is different. So during this 9 or 10 days, if you can finish chanting the same chant for at least 12,500 times, it is amazing. It gives you amazing results. It fills you in with a lot of amazing energies. So number 1 is chants. If you were to ask me for a suggestion, I would say you can go ahead and chant Chamunda Ma's Nirvan Mantra because it has energies of goddess Mahakali, Mahasaraswati and Mahalakshmi. Now, the second thing that you must do during Navratri are meditations. I'm not saying that get into extensive meditations. Just go ahead and observe your breathing even if it is for 2 minutes. It is time to go inward and spend time knowing ourselves, be within ourselves. So that's why meditations are important. So if you want to simply go ahead and recognize the goddess energies inside of you or recognize all the goodness inside of you, just go inward and start searching yourself. This is also the time when you can do body check exercises as to figure out where the negativity is lying in your body, which you can release and replace it with positivity. You can do it in your meditative state. Number 3 is practice silence. That means not only silencing your mind but also practicing Maun Vrat. That means no speaking for a while. You can choose half an hour, you can choose 45 minutes, you can choose 15 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever's right for you. But practice silence. This is one of the ways to conserve your energies and also channelize it in the best way possible. Now, Navratri is also the time where you can become mind aware about how many words you're using. So, if there's something you can communicate with only one word, please do not use a sentence. If there's something you can communicate using a sentence, please do not use a paragraph. This is one of the ways you can utilize your energies in better things and conserve it for better things. Number 4 is cleanse your energies. Now, when I mean this kind of cleansing, I mean emotional cleanse of your energies. Any kind of inner shadows or demons that you know that they are inside of you, maybe it is greed, maybe it is anger, fear, lust, anything that you have allowed them to take control over you, this is the time to claim it back. Claim your power, claim your control back. So start working on those aspects and work with your inner shadows, your inner demons, and win over them and transform your life. And 5th is this is the time to go ahead and work out on everything that empowers your psychic abilities. This is the time of yin energies. It is one of the most conducive time to empower your psychic vision. If you don't know how to do it, you can subscribe to our psychic vision empowerments that especially happen during Navratri time in the evenings, so that you can get benefited with opening up of your Brahmanadi, your the spiritual channels and your third eye. It activates it in a way that from whichever stage you are, it takes you up. So it does not matter whether you're a healer, you're a beginner or you are a pro. It gives you an empowerment from wherever you are and it takes you up. So these are 5 super important things you must do during Navratri. Hi, this is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio and I invite you to experience the energies of Navratri with us. We have lot many important things going on, like karmic releases, like money healings, like psychic empowerments, like Navratra rituals, and many more things. So, if you're wondering as to what you can receive, whether it is goddess attunements or any of the workshop and courses, go ahead and join our Telegram group. Go ahead and reach out to us, and we will inform you more. Thank you.